Most Solutions AR here. We were sent a package today. XTRONS Android 8-inch unit to review. Let's take a look. Good quality, sturdy, premium box. Driving entertainment. User manual. Wiring. Speaker and canvas adapter. Complete plug and play. This will go in a 2007 Avalanche. Let's take a look at the unit itself. Eight-inch screen, physical buttons, premium made, and sturdy. Doesn't look bad. GPS, Wi-Fi, 4G cellular connection that can be added. It's made with premium plastic as well. Looking forward to installing this here at the shop. Most Solutions AR here again with the XTRONS unit, the 8-inch Android touchscreen that was sent to us for review. We're in the 07 Avalanche. We're going to go ahead and install it. We already wired up everything here. Canvas system as well. Step by step. You're actually just going to put your panel tool here, here. Pop off the cover and remove 8 screws. And actually start from the bottom. It's a little easier. And you're just really going to pry. Then go around the top. Just like that. Remove the screws. 7mm. That one's broke, so I ain't gotta worry about it. Standard 4 from the radio, 2 from the climate control, and 2 from the power outlets. You actually unplug the unit, unplug the antenna, take it out. The XTRONS units are simple, real easy plug and play. If you have bows, it's equipped for bows as well. Factory backup camera also. The plugs are actually one-way connections. We don't have backup camera from the factory, so we won't use this one. We actually use this one here for the rear speakers. Antenna adapter. Plug up. We actually already got the 4G antenna, GPS, and cellular. We're actually just going to tuck those away. That is USB. Have speaker. But yeah, that's simple. Have a speaker. We have power to the unit. Boots up. Remove that sticker there. It's really simple, guys, for the installation. That simple. But you reverse the process of putting in the 4 screws. And then you put your climate control screws back, and then your outlet, and you're done. Most Solutions AR here again with the XTRONS 8-inch Android unit. Let's go through some of the features. The response is very fast. From the CarPlay, actually to get back, it shows your map. Want to go back to the main menu of the screen, hit the exit button. Navigation, you select which one that you want it to go with. We'll select maps. Confirm. Go back to the home screen. You can also go to the Play Store, download various apps to install, YouTube Music, etc. Also, one thing that I love about it, you have internet. So if you connect your hotspot, go to Chrome, and you can search. Also, this is the only Android unit that I've seen, that I've installed and reviewed, that actually has 3 different USBs, and you can actually plug up 3 USB sticks and all of them work simultaneously via the music app. And actually, as you see here, USB 2, USB 1, and actually if you plug up another one, it'll show up. XTRONS, get yours today.